So I was checking that up path. Let's see. Let's get a countdown going. All right, welcome back, everybody. Let's see what we got today. We're just gonna go over and see what we have on the markets. We're not trading today. I personally already traded last night, and I'm not taking on any more risk today. How much we're moving? I mean, I could, right? But we're gonna sit out and see what the market gives us. So far, 4 hour, I'm liking it to the downside. Last night we said, okay, well, we want to see below that 4 hour, below this 4 hour for us to continue down. That's exactly what we did. We started to kind of sell down, came into 50% of this, I believe, and just a little bit. Yep. Body sell right now. You see we filled the gap a little bit. So we are kind of looking for that zone to see what will happen. I'm liking the way it's selling into it right now. Damn, these ranges are insane. These ranges are just fucking crazy. That's all I gotta say. So let's see what did it do here. That was nice. Took that. Right now, what we probably want to see is just the general displacement below these levels. I think that will give us that move down. Like if we get displaced below like 17, just 17,000, if we can get below that, I think that will give us a nice move to the downside. For right now, we're just kind of watching. Still have that London session highs up top where it could displace this fair value gap, right? And then make it an inverse fair value gap. So let me show you. So it'd be like this. Oh, there we go. Like that. So if we close below that right here, then we can do something like that. You know, that's not out of the realm of possibilities for us. I am liking that. Not that I'm a fan of it, but this liquidity up top is still decent. I can retest the previous weekly high right there, right? But you're seeing how this fair value gap is holding right there. So I think it's all up to our Sunday open. You can see we filled that gap. This is another 2,000 points, guys. This is or 1,500 points, whatever. So that's another 1,500 points to the upside. So these ranges are insane. If you are trading, just be careful today. Let's see what Doge is doing. Doge is decent. Not a fan of that 60-minute. Well, daily on the Doge doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, unless they want to, OTE of this would be solid. OTE for London range would be solid. I'd take that for some downside, right? Come into these levels, test them out, and then continue up from there. Or if we break this level, then obviously continue down. But yeah, I think it's gonna all be up to that previous weekly low. So see what price does whenever we come up to that 17,387.50. Let's see what we do there. Are we going to break above it and continue up, or are we going to reject it and continue lower? So that's kind of what we want to be looking for and see how we react to that level. So right now, I do not have any certainty. I mean, the only this kind of LR-ish, right? To the upside. Let's see if we have our daily. Daily is a decent wick. I think, yeah, that might do it for today. It's just some little short and sweet. We don't have, I mean, when markets got a huge range, we don't have much else to say on them. Or at least I don't. It's kind of just playing it level to level and seeing what holds and what doesn't hold. And then if it holds, then we're looking obviously for a move in that direction. If it doesn't hold, then we're looking for a move in the opposite direction. That goes for shorts and longs. So just watch out for that. Look at your ranges to find them clearly, just so that you know what you are looking for. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. It's a great website. Go to for all of your tools, ICT wise, and all the tools that we use, like Trader Journal, Phenomenal Tool Candle Creator, ICT Trainer, and also a risk calculator. So, risk calculator would be something good for you to use today because of how wide the ranges are. And if you don't want to lose your whole account, then you might want to use that tool. What else we got? Make sure you follow at Hayes Beats on Twitter. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. Make sure you follow Big Timmy Hedge on Twitter. Make sure you follow Restoration. As always, if you guys are enjoying these, give it a little like, give it a little share. I appreciate you. Check out papertraders.io again. And scroll all the way down. You'll see a little link in the description, or not in the description, but at the very bottom of that website, you'll see a link. It goes directly to our YouTube channel of our live sessions, and you'll be able to rewatch everything that we've done in the past. And I think that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later tonight.